So this weekend, Dreigiau'r Mynydd met up and had one of their final prep events before going to the Jamboree. They started off by dismantling part of the adventure playground at the Scout Hall where they were going as a bit of a legacy, helping that Scout Hall regenerate its grounds. They also had a visit from a Commonwealth Athlete Alf Dinnie, who gave them a nice intro into what it was like to go to the Commonwealth Games and how important it is to be an ambassador for your country when representing them at this kind of event, which played really well into how we go into the Jamboree. After this, the guys got all their kit and got to try it on for size. That led to some of these awesome, funny pictures and videos that the guys made. Jamboree's coming up real thick and fast now. I can't wait to go abroad with these guys, and I'm really looking forward to the adventures ahead.
We hope that you liked that video. If you want to follow our journey, give us a like on Facebook, follow on Twitter, and subscribe down below.